Previously on Digital Paul Media.
My trying to attempt for a Halloween costume. I've not figured out how to get these horns to connect to my head yet. Hey there everybody, and welcome back to Digital Paul Workshop. It is I, that monster inside your closet, Techno Meow Tinkerer. And as you can see, I got my horns working. They're now following my head no matter what I do. So yeah, and so today we're going to go through how I was able to do that. So now, we already covered last week on how to import and export your VRMs to Blender. And a little bit of, now we're going to cover over how to attach things to your VRM. I'm getting into the video here. Now, you want to come over to Object, come on down here to where it says Parent, but you want to parent by automatic weights. The mistake I was just doing a normal parenting in the past. I tried joining it, but you want to come over to this little three triangle thing, go to Vertex Group, and you want to find the one that's the rig bone for the head. That's the one we want. And I locked it in place, was hoping it wouldn't do nothing, but I made the mistake of accidentally deleting it, so I had to go back and do a couple undos to bring it back in. But you want to delete all these other bones because you don't need them. So now we want to come over to Object Mode, and we want to come Weight Paint, because we're going to need the paint. Now I don't understand weights full thing, but from what I get is whatever is red is going to be completely affected by whatever it's parented to, whereas the blue is not quite as affected, and then your colors between the two. So I painted the entire thing red to make sure that the whole blown, because I don't need it wagging around like a tail. So we come over here to the little orange squared, and we want to come on down to where it is, let me see. Okay, yeah, we'll come down here where it says Viewport Display, and click in front. This is my understanding. I click in front. I think this has to do with the bones itself. And so now we can come on over back to where it says Object Mode, but we will come on down to Pose Mode. That's after you have to have your bone selected. So yeah, I grabbed the top of my head bone, and boy, I didn't know my head could bend that way. But yes, I can see the horn is attached. Now I found out when I did that the other horn didn't do it, because I was trying to do it both at the same time, but it wouldn't let me, so I had to do it separate. So each object you create, you're going to have to individually do. Now there might be a way, if I had made them all one piece, I could have done it, but as we see here, now they both are connected. And so now that's how you attach objects to your model. Now of course I put test, parent, and weight, and that way I know exactly what this file is. I bring it on into, click on Add Avatar, and bring on into VSeeFace. And then I did a test run right here. Yep, you can see that I am moving around. It's following my head. So that is basically how you can attach stuff to your models for VTubing, at least your 3D models. Well, I hope this was informative for some of you, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe and share it with anyone you think might find it interesting. Have a nice day.
Yeah.